Parts of Tux Paint window.
Toolbox.
It has all the tools that you can use for drawing. Some of them are Paint, Shapes, Magic and Stamp. Selector. The selector shows the different options for each tool you select, such as different sizes for brushes and pencils when you select Paint tool. Up arrow helps to move up in the different options in the selector pane. Down arrow helps to move down in the different options in the selector pane. Drawing canvas. This is the blank area to draw and paint. Color palette. You can choose different colors from the color palette to draw and paint. Help area. Tux, the penguin, helps you at every step while drawing and coloring in the help area.